yeah, let's go unbox these boots. There they are, ladies and gentlemen. Off with the old, on with the new. Oh my gosh, I feel comfortable already. Alright, time for the crazy glue. So before I take these boots off, I'm going to take note of how these pants kind of ride on here. That way I know exactly, I'm definitely going to put glue here and up right here. I'll probably even get crazy and put a little out here. I think I might put some here too. But most importantly, right here, these 3 stitches, because that will get burned up if you don't. Now these are steel toe. I was really wanting composite toe, but anyway, let's put some glue on these things. Now what's so cool about this crazy glue is it dries clear. Pretty sure it's just real similar to super glue. Alright, there y'all have it. The Thorogood boots. Thank you for those of you who suggested the Thorogood brand. They are made in America. That is an absolute plus. That's really good, so that's a good thing. I think I'm gonna like them. First take, it feels like my heel tries to like slip out of them, like it's not down far enough, but other than that, they are extremely comfortable. And being that they're lace up, I think I'll be able to work with my heel. I think over time that sole, hopefully the sole will get more flexible, and I won't even recognize that how my heel fits in there. So, but I mean, that's kind of the thing with boots, is you gotta wear them and try them to really see. You gotta break them in. So I'm fixing to break them in and try them out. I'll let you guys know how I like them. And like I said, thank you guys for suggesting the boot. I will let you guys know how I like them in due time. So anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out aroswelding.com, and don't forget, learn something every day.